Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rita and I'm the cooking nurse, and today it's almost 7:30 p.m. where I stay, and I'm going to make karo for my family. This is a staple. I have my charcoal stove here. I have brought it here for you guys because I want to teach you. Someone has been requesting for this video for so long. So I am going to start by pouring on my water. Traditionally, we pour water on the sufuria or the saucepan, and then collect our flour. You sprinkle it on top to create a coating to make this water boil faster. I remember growing up fighting to drink the water that my mom would first get off. I think maybe we would be so hungry, I don't know. So this is endiro, a traditional basket woven from enchinzi. When you grow millet, there are wild species that come up. They do not bring out the millet seeds. So those ones are harvested and dyed to different colors. They are blue, they are black, they are purple ones like this. And they are the ones that we use to make these baskets. This is where we serve our karo from. All you need is some flour to make sure that the karo doesn't stick. So you get your flour, put it in here, and then make sure to show it the way around so that the karo doesn't stick. Just like this. We do not put karo on the plates. In Ankole, I come from Ankole, which is the western part of the country, Uganda, Africa. If you're ever here, please make sure to try out karo. And then once you're done with that, just like you line your baking pans, this is exactly what I'm doing. You know how you put butter in a baking pan and then put some flour and then beat it around to make sure the butter or the cake batter doesn't like stick the sides? That's exactly what I'm doing here. So yeah, this is going to be here waiting for when we start on our karo. So when the water starts boiling like this, that's when we are going to get our flour. You can remove some water if you want. If you don't want, it's okay. And then add in your flour. Now, unlike posho and maize, rather cassava flour, the millet needs a lot of flour for it to come out immediately. And like posho, this one, you do not go light on the flour, or try to first remove the lumps. This one, you add more flour. The more flour you add, the lumps will come out on their own as you mingle. So you keep on mingling like this. You want the texture to be soft, not too hard. Utakuma, eh? But for someone who doesn't know how to cook, you probably don't know what kuma is. So you keep on turning it like this, and at some point for karo, you have to do this to make sure all the lumps go out. If it's on and sticky, it means you need to add in more flour and mingle. It's of course, or rather, it's automatic that because I've done this over time, I may get it on the first go, and that may not be the case for you. So please remember to practice. Once again, to turn this one, you need energy. I don't know if you can hear this sound. That's when you know that the karo is ready to go. And then you arrange it properly in this pan. Remember, we had already lined our basket, so go at once, strong, and then into the basket. And then, oh, okay, occupational hazards. And then you shake it to shape it. Yeah, you can see how it's dancing in here. Always make sure that the cooler side is on top or like the flawless side is on top. So just like this, you are ready to serve the karo. I hope you try it out. It's really delicious, it's nutritious, very nutrient dense, and easy to make, almost one ingredient. And yeah, so I'm going to cover so that it doesn't cool down, and we go and serve just like this. Thank you for coming. Remember to subscribe, and maybe if you're in Uganda, come for one of my live classes. I hope to see you. Ciao, good night.